I really want to film this power hour. Why do they have to be so cute? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm doing a collaboration with Heather from the Outnumbered Mama. She's called the Outnumbered Mama because she's a boy mom, and I thought it was wonderful to do a collab with Heather because I'm a girl mom. So it kind of gives our viewers different perspectives of motherhood. Heather is wonderful. She does really great videos. I love the content because when my kids get a little older, I'm going to definitely use some of her ideas, and a lot of her ideas consist of school lunches and grocery hauls and meal planning. And obviously I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and sometimes we don't really like pack lunches because they have particular things that they can or cannot eat. But her videos are so informative and so fun, and I just love her hair. I know that's random, but she has beautiful, beautiful red hair, and I love that. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're coming over from Heather, thank you for watching this. Please hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you don't miss another video from me. Also, if you're one of my subscribers and you've never heard of Heather, go over to her channel and also subscribe. Her stuff is great. And also, both of us are on Instagram. So I'll leave my Instagram information here on the screen, but if you want to follow her on Instagram, go ahead over to her channel and she'll have all that information too. Today's video, we're going to do a power hour, and I hope I can get through this in a 1-hour consistent basis because my 3-year-old is sleeping perfectly. My 1-year-old is crawling around right now as I'm looking at the monitor, crying for me. So I'm gonna go up there and see what the fuss is all about, and hopefully I can get her back to sleep so that I can do this power hour. So let's get into the video. For today's power hour, I'm going to try to accomplish these things. I know it's kind of different than a typical power hour for a lot of moms out there, but for me, these are things that need to be done today. One is bathing my dog. Her name is Dolce. That's number one. She is definitely needing a little cleanup bath. I'm also going to just tidy up the downstairs since it's a wreck from the kids playing this morning, and clean the kitchen really good, like the surfaces, because I haven't cleaned like the nooks and crannies in a while, so I need to really clean the surfaces. And then I have a laundry to fold, 1 load of laundry, and I have a wreath store on Etsy, and I need to make a very tiny wreath for shipment tomorrow. And it's actually this kind of wreath. It's very, very small, but that's what I need to do in our hour that we're going to time. I will give you the time in just a second. I have to actually go upstairs and try to get this little girl back to sleep. So let's get into the video. Dolce is such a good dog when it comes to getting a bath. She doesn't fuss, she doesn't fight. I mean, she shakes because that's just natural for a dog to do, but she's such a good dog when she gets a bath. What I'm using is a formulated shampoo for her kind of hair. Her hair is not like regular dog fur. It's similar to like human hair, and she doesn't shed hardly at all. So I use a conditioner that is actually meant for, you know, human hair, and she's never had any rashes or any like irritation from it, and it works very well in keeping her hair silky and tangle free for a very long time. So those are the products that I'm using on her right now. Now I'm going to move into the kitchen dining area as well as the kitchen and just basically put things away, wipe down the table. My 3-year-old was painting the morning that I filmed this, so there was, you know, paint all over the table. And then I'm going to move into the kitchen and use my Method granite cleaner there. I am using the Method surface cleaner on my kitchen table right now. So I'm just gonna wipe down all surfaces, get it really nice and clean, germ free, just so that we're ready for the afternoon and the evening and ready to eat and go to sleep and not worry about anything like that for the next day. I got this cake stand from Hobby Lobby, and I use it to hold all of my soaps and things to kind of get it off of the granite so that it doesn't leave any like marks on it or rust or anything like that. So it has gotten a little dirty, so I've had to clean it and get it sparkling new again. Now I'm going to refill my hand soap in the kitchen. I bought these hand soap containers from Amazon. I'll try to link it below, but long story short is all the hand soap dispensers that I bought always rusted, always. So I wanted to buy glass ones with plastic nozzles to prevent those like rusty things happening again. It was just so frustrating. So I bought these maybe 2 or 3 years ago. Naomi, did you wake up? Yeah. Oh, look how sleepy those eyes are. Yeah. here's the real mess. All right, let's get to it. I've been giving my 3-year-old a task every time we do cleanup. I sometimes give her 1 to 2 items to clean up, and today she was in charge of cleaning up all of the baby items. And sometimes I let her pick up just like a certain kind of block or all the cars. So she's getting used to not only cleaning up, but knowing where certain toys should go. So this is a great learning tool for her. Alright guys, we have 18 minutes left, so I'm gonna try to finish that load of laundry. Alright guys, here we go. I always try to do 1 load of laundry every day so that I stay caught up. Some days I don't do it just because of other things being pushed ahead of laundry, but for the most part I do accomplish 1 load of laundry a day. It keeps the laundry at bay and it allows me to not get overwhelmed or to, you know, have something that I'm really desperately needing for the girls especially, because I know that I can just do 1 load and that's all I need to do to get any kind of clothes or any kind of shoes that we need to get done. Alright, so I got everything finished. Everything is done. Though I don't think the video that I was filming for the wreath actually took. I think something happened during the filming process. I know I pushed the button, but I think that, I don't know, the camera messed up in the middle of it. So anyway, it missed the entire process of the wreath, but I'll show you that I did finish it. This is a mini burlap wreath, so they're in my store. So, we actually finished right on time. So anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my very realistic power hour today. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and be sure to come back and see more videos from me. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye. And be sure to check out Heather at the Outnumbered Mama. I'll leave her link to her power hour in my description box. Tell her I sent you. Thanks again for watching, guys.